Hey guys, hope you're all doing well. We're on to week 3 of the Microbit challenge now, so I want you to make sure you've got a set of headphones ready and also some paper clips, because today we're going to be doing some music. Right, so you should be onto the Microbit Make Code website. Now we're going to go into new projects. Let's give it a name. You can choose any name you want here. I'm just going to call it Headphone 1. So what we're going to be most interested about here is the music. Oh, hello. I'm also here as well, so you can see me talking. And then we've got lots of different options here. So let's just choose Start Melody, and let's do it on the input. So on button A press, let's start melody. And right now we've got Da Da Dum here. Let's have a listen to what it sounds. So you press the play here, and then press it. So you should recognize that. Or you can change it, so you've got quite a lot of options here. Some of it you might recognize, lots of like iconic sounds here. Another thing you have to try is making your own melody. So I'm just going to get rid of that. On your own melody, you can create your own music here. So if you look at it, how the higher you go, the higher the sound becomes. So at the bottom is a low sound. So you can make a scale, or you can make your own music. So and then you can press play. I'm just going to get rid of that one. And then you can also change the tempo, so you can make it faster. So if I change it to, let's make it as fast as possible, just have a play around. So fast as you can. And that was, and it doesn't like it. It might be too fast actually. But that's not going to be useful. Or you can make it as slow as you want. And we might be here for hours, so let's not do that. So you can keep changing it as you like. So you can design your own little theme tune or something. And then here, what else you can do is you can just ask it to just play one tone. So here's your keyboard, and then you can make up your own music here. Okay, so if you're feeling particularly confident, you can, on the homepage, if you scroll down, you can find the hack your headphones bit, and then you can show instructions. So it's got a bit more advanced coding to try. So if you go into scroll down to the code section, and here it's showing you how to make a beatbox based on light level. So what you do is it will show you how to use a light level, so what the Microbit can sense how dark or how light the room is, and then it will make a beatbox depending on how light or dark the room is, which is particularly cool, I think. And then all you have to do is you can just download the program onto the Microbit, and then now you press download. You can go into the download section, and then here's your file. And what you're going to do is you're going to drag it into the Microbit drive. And you can see it comes up here, and you're just going to wait for it to download it across. Give it some time. You can see it's working here because the orange light on the back was flashing. You wait right, and then if I just press A, so we know we've got the person here, so we know it's working. Now to set it up, you're going to take a microphone jack head, and then you're going to put it into one of these pins here. So we're going to put it into the ground pin. So if you can see it, the ground pin. And then the reason why you needed a paper clip is because the paper clip is made out of metal, which can conduct electricity. So you're going to just slightly de-bend the paperclip, and then you're going to plug it into the top one here, and then you can try and get the paperclip into a good shape so that you can plug it into the 0 pin on the front and the top metal bit here as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just change it to this so you can hear it. It's a little speaker with a jack on top, so it'll work with your headphones as well. Okay, I've bent the paperclip slightly more so it works better, and then if I press this, ta-da! Music. Okay. Guys, I've also discovered something really cool. If you've got a proper big enough speaker, and then you can just use your fingers to just conduct the music through. So if I press A and then plug in, the music is actually flowing through your body from one hand to the other hand to get to the speakers. So, hope you've enjoyed this week. And then, so if you have more time, you can have a look into some more features in the website, have a play around with it. There's a lot to do. Or if you are more interested in the coding aspect of it, there's a great video series on YouTube, and it's called Think Like a Coder, and then it's here, and it teaches you on coding, and it's got a lot of good, a nice storyline, and it teaches you a little bit about coding every episode. So I'll see you next week. Goodbye.